February 29th, 2024. Mr. MUFAREH, I did not plan to be here today, but I heard DeGarmo is not well due to grandkids. I am glad to be here for a brief update. There is so much going on now, and I will give you some exciting news today that should thrill you. We will package and organize more details that we can share with you tomorrow on ORON, Friday, March 1st at 9 p.m. ST. I am not focused on sharing the challenges I face. Under normal circumstances, our initiative could have launched in 2020. In the corporate world, there is a notion that you cannot succeed on a large scale without compromising. You are expected to concede. We aim to maintain integrity in our model, offering genuine assistance to humanity and avoiding the pitfalls of corruption and despair. Recognizing that these challenges began emerging as early as 2019, the idea of quitting was unfamiliar to me, yet with increasing pressure, it became a concept I could no longer ignore. The market structure predominantly benefits a small elite, with over 90% working for this minority, and any disruptive forces are actively suppressed. I have learned to control my thoughts, especially dismissing any notions of quitting immediately, committing to achieving unparalleled feats without a desire for personal wealth or benefiting the MUFAREH family. We have moved past many obstacles by elevating our standards, backed by influential and formidable allies who possess boundless capabilities. Our current state allows us to innovate and develop solutions at an accelerated and more sophisticated level. I can sum up with a couple of statements. We grew so fast, but stuff we had planned so. My heart wanted to make sure that in a clean way with no harm and no violation. We pulled this off. We are going to shake up the internet. It's going to be the Onpassive internet. We have a better version. If Onpassive was a country, it would be the largest country on the earth. The country of Onpassive is the best of the best. There is a 1 billion% chance that Onpassive will make a paradigm shift in many major sectors this year. There is no doubt in his mind that we will change the existing corrupt internet. The final version of OConnect was sent to testing yesterday, and tomorrow we will have answers. If any bugs are okay, we may go public with it on a weekday. It's more stable and redundant in every way. A new design and added features and AI features, and we will continue to add more. Most things don't smooth on the first go, but all things are on track, and we are testing it. Tomorrow, we can address commissions. FYI, no one has the willingness to give what we will. We can address other products in the pipeline to be released. Overify should be ready, and it's unpaid. A few things are being recreated from scratch. We are proud of what we do, and I don't believe in secrets, so we are trying to be transparent. A must on every device in 2024 will be Avatar. Many of our people have moved from top companies around the world. Thanks to Janet Butler, Dan Street, Daryl Cook, and Peter Sarur for their help with the notes.